Oi, gente, Ludmila here, your Portuguese teacher from Yes Portuguese. And today we'll learn three different meanings of the same word, the word letra. Did you know that this word has at least three different meanings? Do you know them all? So, vamos lá? Vamos descobrir? So guys, here you can see the word we are talking about, letra, letra, okay? So let's check these three senses, okay? The first case is this one. So we have this sentence. Que linda a letra dessa música. Que linda a letra dessa música. So this has this meaning. What a beautiful lyrics this song has. So letra in this case is translated to lyrics. So letra here means lyrics. Okay, so the words, the sentences of a song, when we write a song, you know, so this is what we are talking about when we use letra in this context. But here we have a totally different situation. Check this sentence. A letra desse menino é horrível. A letra desse menino é horrível. So this means this boy's handwriting is terrible. So now letra refers to handwriting. Okay, so we are talking about something different. You know the way you write when you use a pen, a pencil, you know, and each person has its own writing, right? Its own handwriting. This is what we are talking about in this case. But we have a third case, right? So we can also say something like this. Meu nome se escreve com a letra H. Meu nome se escreve com a letra H. So here the sentence means my name is written with the letter H. So now we have letra with the sense of letter, a letter or yes, letter from the alphabet, you know, when we want to refer to A, B, C, A, B, C, some letter of the alphabet. This is the other meaning, okay? So this is very interesting, right guys? I hope you have liked and see you next class. Ciao, ciao!